Well, good afternoon everybody, welcome back to the channel, Motorhoming Fun. Well, it's the first day, it's Friday afternoon and we're heading out this afternoon. We're heading down the beach for a little beach walk with Skye, so come with us everybody. Right, the entrance to the beach is at this far end, as I showed you on the arrival vlog. Thank you for everybody who's watched the arrival vlog. I do apologise about the lack of quality. Well, not lack of quality, we had to downgrade it from 4K to 1080 just to get it uploaded and that, but hopefully all is good and it's watchable. I think most people watch on their phones or their iPads nowadays, so I don't think you'll notice much, but as I say, we're going to head down towards the beach now and hopefully have a little bit of a play. I don't think we're going to see the sea, I think that's too far down, but we'll give it a go. Well, this is the approach to the beach from Channel View. So as you can see, there's a few cars on the sand at this top end and that, so let's say we're going to head down to the water, which you can see is a little bit closer today now. Alright, it's turned out nice now, it's warmed up. It's currently about 27, 28 degrees on the beach. The wind has dropped a little bit since we arrived, but I'm debating where to put the awning up on the motorhome still. As I say, I don't like it. I don't want it breaking, I should say, or blowing over the top, although we do peg it down. Well, we've got the drone with us this afternoon as well. We've got the Air 3 and the Mini 4 Pro. We can fly the bigger drone on the beach and it's got better wind resistance as well. We did just send the drone flight up over the campsite with the Mini 4, but I was getting some wind warnings, so I didn't like flying it too much, but all is good with the bigger drone, hopefully. Well, I think Skye's happy now. She's been waiting for the last couple of hours, I think, patiently to come down the beach, but we just wanted to upload the arrival vlog. Right, so we're just walking to the end of Brean Down, where the cafe is, and that. We probably won't show you the cafe today. We'll keep that for tomorrow's Brean Down vlog, but it's a National Trust area, Brean Down is, and the car park at this bottom end and that. And we just rejoined the National Trust a couple of weeks ago, to be honest, and that we get a bit of a discount now. Now we're 60 and being a senior, so I think for £6 a month it's worth being a member, even if we don't use it too much over the year. It does go to a good cause in restoration and everything of the buildings. So yeah, we're quite happy to have done that. And English Heritage, we'll let the membership lapse on that since the shoulder surgery, so I didn't think there was too much English Heritage we're going to view on this trip, so I'm going to leave that for a little while. Well, it's not the cleanest of waters, a bit brown and murky and that, but Skye's the one going in, not me. Right, I think it's time we got some drone footage. Well, as you can see, the tide is definitely coming in now. We just had a quick drone flight and I put my bag down and for about 5 minutes, and before I knew it, the tide was almost up to my bag, so we're a bit lucky there. Right, so we're just going to walk down another few hundred yards and then come back. Come on, bring your ball. Are you going to get the ball? Are you going to get the ball? Well, those are the views back down Brean Beach. If you walk this beach all the way, you get to Motorhoming, which is probably about 6 or 7 miles. Go back a few years, everybody, my Herne Lane site tour. You'll see some Brean and some Motorhoming beach walks there, everybody. Right, we're going to head up to the rocks and then we're going to do a return journey back. I see there's an ice cream van over there, so it could be an ice cream stop. Well, from the motorhome, everybody, this is just over a mile to this point. It is so not too bad. As I say, we've been going leisurely, having a little play, and flew drone flights as well. So it's not too strenuous. Tomorrow will be the strenuous day when we climb up that slope. Over there, have some big steps up there, and that's when you'll catch me out of breath.
Right in front of us if we just hold on tight. This vision that I saw is getting closer every dawn. We are dreamers of the shore. Every dawn, we are dreamers of the shore when we can't read the sky.
Right, I'm just going to have a quick look up there, see what we're going to film tomorrow, and then we'll continue the beach walk back.
Just keep on believing. We are dreamers of the
Come on.
Turn the page and burn it. Let's make up a big bonfire on the beach with the stars as our lighter, and throw our problems in the flame. Throw our problems in the flame.
Right, so we're heading back to the motorhome now for a well-earned coffee and a cake. I think Skye's decided she's had enough of water and that, so she'll dry out a bit on the walk back. So hope you've enjoyed our little beach walk, everybody. Right, I think that's it for today, everybody. Thank you for watching our little beach walk with Ian and Skye, and we'll see you tomorrow on our walk to Brean Down. Bye for now. Right, just a final bit to this vlog, everybody. You can see we've now put the awning out. We haven't stretched it right out and that because of the wind, but we've got the anchor straps on as well, so we're going to give it a go. So thank you very much, and we'll see you tomorrow. Bye for now.
I get a little bit breathless. My thoughts are too big. Can I get some comfort, please?